Hello everyone, here is Hel from Conscious Rebhell, and today I'm going to show you how to sterilize glass jars in two very simple and quick ways. Switch on the oven at 110 degrees. When the oven is ready, you can put your glass jars inside. Put them with a tiny bit of distance between one and the other, and put even the lids inside. Then close the oven and leave them there for 20 minutes. Once they are ready, you can take them out. Just be careful not to burn your hands, and you can use them hot for hot food like jam or whatever you prepare that is hot. Otherwise, you can leave them to cool down and use them cold for cold stuff. Fill up the jars until 3/4 with water. Then put a wooden stick inside. Put it in the microwave, set on the maximum power and switch on. And you will need to leave the water to boil inside the jar for at least 1 minute. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know if you have any other idea or any other things that you would like to see on this channel. I have an Instagram profile too and Facebook one too. So if you'd like to follow me over there on Instagram, I give a little bit more hints about my life so you can see a bit more. Please subscribe even to Tebe Studio UK channel. That I will leave the link down below. Is my husband and is the one that is filming every single time.
Thank you very much, honey.
And I will see you in the next video. Bye.